Welcome to a vibrant celebration of learning, curiosity, and creativity. Led by our brilliant Grade 3 students. It all began with a provocation. Teachers sparked the students' curiosity with puzzles, mysterious clues, and hidden meanings, leading them to discover the magical world of turmeric. But their learning didn't stop there. To dig deeper, they met with a farming expert. They asked thoughtful questions and discovered how turmeric grows, from soil to spice. They learned about climate, patience, and the magic of nature. Excitement filled the air as our young researchers explored ancient remedies and modern uses of turmeric. Today, these young minds proudly present their installation, a collection of everything they've learned, explored, and created.